Hi guys, today let me take you to the darkest side of internet. I will guide you through the deepest part of the internet very anonymously. Yes, you heard me right. Today I will make a tutorial video on deep web and dark web and show you how to access deep web very anonymously and as securely. But before that, one request. 99% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe. Hit like if you like this video, and don't forget to press the bell. First, let me explain what is deep web and dark web. What are they? Why should you care? And how do they affect your privacy? There are many misconceptions about the deep and dark webs, so we're here to set things straight. We'll discuss what they are and how you can access them. As you know, the surface web is the portion of the World Wide Web that is readily available to the general public and searchable with standard web search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, meaning they are indexed by those search engines. Anybody can access them from anywhere, anytime. But that is only 4% of the total World Wide Web. Like, if you search for something you are interested in Google, the data you get on that subject is only 4% of the total information that subject may contain on the World Wide Web. On the other hand, the deep web is a subset of the World Wide Web that is not indexed by search engines. 90% of total World Wide Web remains here. It includes private databases, scientific research papers, online libraries, forums, chat rooms, bank databases, password-protected sites, and pages that are behind paywalls and other content that cannot be found with a conventional search engine like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. The dark web is a subset of the deep web that consists of content on websites or networks that is deliberately hidden from non-members and cannot be accessed without special software or authorization. It is only 6% of total World Wide Web. It includes encrypted websites on Tor, hacking groups, I2P and Freenet, illegal transactions such as buying drugs or weapons, hiring hitmen, disturbing pornographical content, strange and bizarre sites, red rooms for physically and mentally tortured, anonymous file-sharing sites, and also many legitimate information. The deep web and dark web are often confused with each other because they are so closely related, but they are two different things. Both of these networks have been used for illegal transactions such as buying drugs or hiring assassins. However, there are also many legitimate uses for both. In one word, all dark webs are deep web, but all deep webs are not dark web. The deep web is a relatively unknown and constantly changing place. It is not indexed by search engines. This makes it impossible for most people to find them or even know its existence. The websites on the deep web are generally password protected or require special software to access them. One of the most popular tools for accessing the deep web is Tor, and it can be used to access both sections of the internet. Now, to access deep web, you need three things: a special browser called Tor, a VPN network, and a security protector for your system. Why a special browser, you may ask? Because only Tor browser can decrypt the encrypted deep web sites. A VPN network can make you anonymous in the internet, and your privacy will be protected from hackers. A security protector for your system, like Windows Defender, will protect you from all those miscellaneous codes, which are targeted towards you by hacking groups. So, let's begin the journey of deep web and stay with me. For accessing deep web securely, you need to have a VPN connection. A VPN, or virtual private network, will pass your ISP's default connection through a decrypted tunnel so that no one can track your system. So, open your VPN app and make sure it is connected. I am using private network access, but you can use any provider you want. Also, make sure that Windows Defender is on. If mistakenly you downloaded some file from deep web, Windows Defender will make sure harmful codes are not attached with those files. Even if they does, Windows Defender will quarantine them. Now open any browser and Google for Tor browser. Open first link from your Googled results and download Tor project for your desired operating system. Make sure do not download from any other website or link. I am downloading for Windows 11. Now go to your downloaded folder and install Tor browser. Select installation location. By default, it is installing on desktop. I am going to keep it default, but you can select desired location. After installation finished, uncheck Run Tor browser because we need to change some settings on it. Also, you can keep icon on desktop for better accessibility. Now open Tor browser from desktop icon or from installation folder. Now in Tor, do not click on Connect straightway, and uncheck Always Connect Automatically. Just click on Configure Connection. Here you can test your internet connection by click on Test. Now scroll down to Security tab. Here you can choose from 3 security level: Standard, Safer, and Safest. In Standard security level, all Tor browser and website features enabled. So Tor browser will work as a normal browser and provide much less security protection. In Safer security level, Tor browser will block all JavaScripts on non-HTTPS sites. Some front-end math symbols will also disable. Also audio, video, and WebGL media in HTML5 are non-auto-playable. You need to click to play those. In Safest security level, Tor browser will allow only static and basic sites. No image, video, graphics, and scripts are not playable and supported. For better demonstration purpose, I am keeping Safer security level, but it is recommended to use Safest security level every time on deep web. Now in HTTPS settings, you can choose from 3 options, like Enable HTTPS only mode in all window, Enable HTTPS only mode in only private window, and Don't enable HTTPS only mode. But all deep websites are coded in HTTP mode, so enabling this will not work in deep web. You may know, all deep websites are .onion sites, and .onion are not supported by newer HTTPS code, so keep it on Don't enable. Now, click on Connection tab. Here you can select Tor browser built-in bridges. This bridges will make your internet traffic look like random and anonymously directed, even totally block Tor browser footprint. Pretend like Microsoft Edge. If anyone trying to track your connection will find your connections are coming from random servers, and without any footprints of original location. You can also use proxy connection for another level of security. Now you can connect to Tor browser and let it connect. It will take time depending on your internet connection. The first page you get is DuckDuckGo search engine. DuckDuckGo is a search engine like Google, but don't collect user data like Google. You need not to sign in here. Now search here for Hidden Wiki. Hidden wikis are actually some surface websites, holds information about deep web. They basically contain .onion links like deep web search engine and many other websites information. Deep websites are not indexed, so finding them is a bit of work. They all are contain .onion domain, an encrypted domain name, so the deep web search engine arrange them. Open first link and let the site open. Tor browser works bit slow because lots of encryption and tunneling. Here you can see lots of .onion sites are listed categorically, like search engine, Bitcoin sites. One small information, in deep web all kinds of monetary transaction, done only by Bitcoin. Drug store, fake identity making sites, illegal markets are also listed here. I am opening one onion link site from here. Here you can find more listings, like hacking sites, news sites, private blogs. On another hidden wiki page, which is updated to very recent time, found more links. Here opening another Tor indexing site, but definitely not gonna show you some recent searched keywords and some ads, which are not appropriate at all. Another very interesting site's called Onion Links. Here you can find very useful sites, like leaked documents and database, live documents leaking sites, ebook library, comic book library, legal case database, scientific research papers, hack database, black hat hacking course, mega Tor file sharing, Tor version of Facebook. Here I just find out Science Hub website. This website only contains scientific research papers which are not publicly available. All latest research papers from all over the world are listed. Also, you can search for specific interest. Most papers are related to medical and drugs field. Now, if you go to About section, you can find the main goal of this site. Admin wrote, Science Hub is the most controversial project in modern science. The goal of Science Hub is to provide free and unrestricted access to all scientific knowledge. That's very impressive. Total 88,343,822 research papers, ebooks, articles are listed as of now. You can also find users' tweets about Science Hub. Many medical professionals rely on Science Hub for medical research paper. You also find that Science Hub fought many battles in the past against many academic publishing companies. They basically sell scientific research papers. So Science Hub clarified that the project Science Hub is legal, while restricting access to information and knowledge is not. The current operation of academic publishing industry is massive violation of human rights. In Elbakian tab, you will find the information about website admin. His name is Alexandra Elbakian. His biodata, photo, contact information also provided. You can also find country-wise search index, from which country users are searched. The database also listed. You will also find the subject-wise database, like medicine, chemistry, biology, humanities, physics, engineering, math, and many more. Total database size of Science Hub is about 100 terabytes. This is very huge, informative, and educational site. So obviously check Science Hub if you are on deep web. Download the database, read and gain knowledge. That's it for today. Peace.